business is probably as good as is possible, provided the situation. Uh, we are lucky in a way that our model is very much different from a traditional co-working space where more than 90% of our revenue coming from larger corporations. So that's why we don't see much change in terms of the coming revenue. We do see a change, a lower number in revenue in the co-working space because, with the whole social distancing.
When you look at this SoftBank decision on WeWork, in many ways, it reflects how perhaps the investment community is getting a little bit more skeptical about the co-working concept. Of course, WeWork is just one example, but many others have also fallen because investors in the space have loved the idea, but not necessarily focused on the economics of this or looked at the fundamentals. Do you think that the co-working sector as a whole is going to be able to survive this COVID-19 disaster? You say you have a very different model, but how serious are you how confident are you that you're going to be able to weather the storm?
Sure. I think that the decision of SoftBank comes somewhat expected to us, at least with the community in the flexible space operator, because we've been talking about the faults of the models for a long time. I mean, now after the WeWork saga last year, I think that the investor sentiment and confidence about the sector has been as low as possible. So I don't think that this is going to change that at all. In anything, I think is the final nail in the coffin for the traditional co-working space model. But it's also make investor now to focus more on the more important thing, which is the unit economics of the model, as well as what really is the fundamental problem that you try to solve. And I think that with that, our model kind of stand out in this situation and allow us to have a lot of interest from different investor. And because we are cash flow positive and also profitable, we think that, obviously depends on how long the COVID-19 virus situation is going to last. But I think that for us, we're pretty confident right now.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.